months ago, I stumbled upon a very interesting website, and it's called Quirky. And this is an idea started by a Ben Kaufman, who started it to explore the problem that involves expressing your inner inventor. Now, the practicalities of becoming an inventor can be formidable. Not just inventing the object, but finding who's going to make it, finding how you're going to source and distribute it, how you're going to market it. All those things can complicate the situation. So in 2006, Kaufman wanted to explore the idea of social product development, and he created Quirky to do so. So with this Quirky website, anybody can join. It's very easy to get on there. It's www.quirky.com. It's a community of people, engineers included, who will comment, critique, name, brand, and in many other ways market or an accepted idea into becoming a reality. Now, once an idea becomes real, then everyone who influenced it gets a cut of the proceeds. So not only does the inventor, who gets the lion's share of it, but Quirky gets some, and anybody who maybe helped influence the name or influence the price, they also can make some money off of this too. So the more you influence a design, the more you can make. And it's all spelled out on the Quirky website. Now, as you see here, I have a typical power strip. And unfortunately, the problem with the power strip is, unless you're really going to squeeze everything together, about half of these outlets are not usable. So one inventor came to Quirky, I'm covered in cords here, and came up with a very interesting, unique solution. And this is one of the first products that Quirky developed, and it's called Pivot Power. This is just your basic surge protection device. It protects things to 672 joules, but it moves, as you can see. So the very cool thing about this is you can make use of every single outlet without much of a problem. Not only that, you can move this around furniture if that works for you, or you can lay it out on a desk like this and everybody can plug their power devices into it. Now, this was invented by a man by the name of Jake Zine, and so far this product, it's been out a little under a year, and it has paid out, it's earned about $216,000. It took about 1 month to come to development, and so far to date, about 190,000 units have been sold. One of the cool things Quirky does is it puts the inventors on the packaging so that you get to know a little bit about them, and so it's promoting the inventors as well. Another device that Quirky has come out with, this is called Converge, and it's a rest and recharge station for your electronic devices like iPods or iPads. And this cool little device, all you do is you just plug your wiring in behind, just thread it through. It's got 4 USB ports behind, so you can just charge and mount your electronic devices right here. It'll charge most USB devices except for the BlackBerry Torch, the Curve, and Barnes & Noble devices. This one was invented by a Jin Chai, and so far for his statistics, it's paid out about $33,000 to Jin and everybody who's influenced it. It took about 1 month to develop. It's been in the store a little under 3 months, and so far almost 17,000 units have been sold. Now, Quirky comes out with a new device almost every week that you can work into. And the next one I'm looking for is the Pivot Power, which is going to be similar to the Pivot Power, except with this one you're going to have your outlets and 5 feet of cord between each of the outlets. So I'm looking forward to that one. And by the way, Ben, thanks for the review samples.